James and Tita Lyda, congratulations on your engagement. Your life together be filled with love and blessing.
James and Tita Loida, congrats sa inyong engagement. Sana'y maging maligaya kayo dyan at magkaroon ng maayos na kalusugan. At James, welcome sa aming pamilya at congrats muli.
To Atida and to coming Tito James. Congratulations to both of you. Have shown us what true love looks like. Your journey together has been filled with joy, laughter, and unwavering support for each other. We are all excited to see what the future holds for you both. It was clear that we were destined to be together. Your love is inspiring and a reminder that true love does exist. Once again, congratulations to both of you. We love you and we miss you always. Congrats!
We're happy for you, Lola Loida. You have always been a source of inspiration and love in our family. Your generosity have touched the life of everyone around you. Seeing you find such a happiness with James fills us with great joy. James, welcome to our family. We're thrilled to have you. May your life together to filled with love and happiness. Lola Loida and James, congratulations.
Hello po, Ninang and Tito James. Congratulations on your engagement. It's now official. Wishing you both a long and happy life together. It's one step closer to your ever after. We are so happy to both of you. We love you both.
Happy wedding, happy engagement sa inyong dalawa. Sana maging maayos at ligtas kayo sa lahat ng oras. Sabi mo kay James, i-translate mo na lang sa English yung sinabi ko. Sabi mo kay James, James is very handsome boy. Wala na? Sige, Ida. Mag-iingat kayo. Sana bukas sa lahat ng oras ay maging masaya ka at enjoy kayo. Enjoy, peace.